So here I have a carbon Boompole from Neewer. This is the MS-300C. This is the carbon version, and this is a 3-meter Boompole. So I'm gonna unbox it here. So yeah, why did I buy a Boompole? So I've also done some audio, and yeah, I've noticed the Boompole that I already own is a little bit noisy. So the one that I have before is from Max, and this is really a bit annoying to open, and I don't have nails. Let's see, what kind of tools do I have here? And use this caliper to cut this tape. So yeah, so why I bought like a new boom is that the Boompole I'm using the Max, which is also 3 meters, which is this one. So this is quite a nice boom, but because it's aluminium, the annoying thing about aluminium is that it actually transfers sound quite easily. So if I'm using the Max boom or an aluminium boom, I really need to have like a glove on to avoid that my hands, when I'm moving my fingers around, that you can hear the sound transfer over the boom. And with the glove on, it actually lessens it. But I've noticed also trying like boom poles, professional boom poles from others, like from Ambient, which are made out of carbon. Those don't make as much sound. So here we have nice plastic bag and also a nice pouch where the boom is in. So opening this further. Also, like have like a little bit of a different setup with the lighting right now. I'm actually using Zion lights, and instead of going the main light from this side, I've now bouncing a light from here above me to there, and then filling me on this side. Okay, so this is, I can feel there's still something here in the pouch. Yeah. What is in there? Oh, okay. There is a Velcro pouch here. Oh, there's a booklet with 2 adapter rings and a strap for some reason. I don't think I'll ever be using a strap on the boom, but interesting that it's supplied. Yeah, the adapters are interesting, but I don't think I'll be using these either. Those can also go back in here. Okay, so now to the boom itself. So it's quite nice, this silver here. Let's actually open this up. So I have like nice logo on a foam here. And carbon. So one con that I do notice is this here on the bottom. So there is a 3/8 screw, but this here it's metal. So I'm afraid mostly putting your boom down on the ground that this is gonna get scratched quite easily. But there is a thing you can buy. So something like this. This is a rubber feet, and that has like a 3/8 screw that you can screw onto here. So this at least allows me to put it on the ground without worrying that I'm gonna scratch it up quite a lot. And yeah, another thing that I'm gonna upgrade is on this part, I'm gonna add a adapter. So I have this adapter that you can get from yeah, AliExpress, and this allows me to quickly remove the boom from here. So this I'm gonna twist on here and put a tool somewhere to lock it in. Yeah. And the only thing is like I do have like a red on the both ends, which kind of offset its look, but should be fine. But definitely the knob locking and unlocking is quite nice. Only I don't really like is that the Neewer logo is so big in white on here, but that shouldn't be a big deal. Overall, the sponge feels quite nice, and yeah, and of course, yeah, this boom for a carbon boom, this costed me like 109 euros. So it's not an expensive boom, but definitely in the price category it's quite nice. It's 109 euros, so it's not too expensive, and it looks quite nice. This part kind of reminds me of another band boom. Like I think the deity one has a very similar design, and overall this is less expensive, but it's also a carbon boom, and definitely I'm gonna see if this gonna work as nice, and especially it being carbon, it just doesn't transfer as much sound compared to if I'm holding a metal boom. So this is my previous boom. Yeah, I can hear when I loosen it, like the last grip, that it's like very light ting. I'm not quite sure if that's actually audible on the microphone, but if I'm holding a piece of carbon here, no, that's way less loud, not as audible as like comparing to this. So yeah, this one has done its job. It's actually quite nice from Max that has like, it has like a rubber feet, but I did like yeah, extra, or it has like a hard plastic feet, but I did like glue or gaff tape the bottom, so if leaning on the bottom doesn't make as much sound. And yeah, the rubber grips were a little bit, in the summer, were feeling that they were getting a little bit slippery, so definitely I had to upgrade to this one. But yeah, this one was really affordable, and well, I can actually feel also the weight is quite a substantial difference. Yeah, the aluminium weigh way more, and both of these are like 3 meters, so definitely we'll be having like a good, interesting, like yeah, when I'm gonna boom or do audio, that is gonna be interesting using this Neewer boom. And I'll be having like more videos about audio gear soon. And yeah, if you want to see more about that, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.